Bilfinger.
Welcome at De Haan Pet Food. We are one of the smaller wet pet food factories in Europe. We're located in a central location in the Netherlands, not far from Rotterdam, Amsterdam, and we export our products worldwide. We are an ambitious company. We think that from the basis that we have here, which is a very decent technical setup, we can grow into 2 or 3 shifts while also aiming for FSSC, which is an ISO certification, which ultimately leads to BRC IFS certification for our customers worldwide. Although we do a small part of our own production as a brand here in Europe predominantly, we have a capability to run between 60 and 75 million tins per year when we have achieved our growth plans. And in that respect, we have enough capacity to cater to various companies with private label ambitions.
Today we're at De Haan Pet Food. I'm here to make a 3D scan of the production facility. So when I'm done capturing the whole site, you basically have a digital twin of your production site. You can view it on an internet browser from anywhere in the world. So if you have a potential client, you can share the link and you can give a virtual tour, but you can also measure distance inside the model.
The 3D scan that is being done by Bilfinger Tabletbin will help us to understand our own production environment much better than we do today. And it is a blueprint for the improvements that we want to make in this factory. The 3D scan will help us to create an overall picture of the factory, which can help us to talk to suppliers worldwide, talk to customers worldwide for a first introduction in order to understand what is the process that we're running here in this factory.